What's up, guys? Hey fam, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And of course, when you click on this video, you already know what it's about. And I hope you're ready. I hope you have your shoes on. At least your shoes on. Let's get busy. I'm here to give you the step-by-step for no cap. Okay, if you're interested in dancing along with the music, watch till the end. I'll plug it right here and you just click on it and we dance together. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience, the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. Thank you guys for your registration, for booking your room. Please go to our website for detailed information. Everything goes down at our website. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024, the NOLA Southern Experience. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Guys, are you ready for no cap? Step-by-step instruction. Instructors, your beginners can do this dance. It's just 2 parts and we got a tag. And you do it midway and then to the end. Come on, let me give you step-by-step instruction. So here, part 1 is a step sailor. Real simple. Step sailor up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Real simple. Just like we moved it up, we're going to move it back. Out, cross, back, out, cross, back, out, cross, back, out, cross, back. So we went up for 4, then we came back for 4. Then we're going to do it again. Step, sailor, step, sailor, step, sailor, step, sailor, out, cross, back, and paddle, 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 paddle. So my left shoulder, my right shoulder came back, made a half turn with my right heel up. That is part 1. So I'm going to break it down to you. I'm just showing you. That's part 1. You already, it's done. We got one more part, and we got the bridge, the tag. Real simple. We do a step sailor, moving up. We do an out cross back, moving back. We do that step sailor again. You're always going to go up 4 times. That second time, you come back 2 times, out cross back, and you paddle back. Right shoulder, half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you do that, your right heel is going to be up because it's going to prep us to go into part 2. All right. Step sailor up. Here we go. 4 times. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yes? Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. 2 more times. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. Let's do it again. Step sailor up for 4. You're always going to move up for 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. That was 2 times. That second time. Right shoulder come back, paddle for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is a 2-wall dance. We don't go back to the top. We're going to go to part 2. That is part 1. Okay? That's part 1. So let's do it together. Meet me at this wall right here, and we'll go on to part 2. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, move it up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Paddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I end on 8, my heel is up. My right heel is up. My right shoulder comes back, half turn. So if you're beginners and your teacher don't teach dances like this because they might have a lot of beginners, but you're a seasoned beginner, which means you're intermediate. You can do this dance. Create your own playlist and start teaching yourself, okay? Let's go into part 2. Part 2 is step, sailor, out and out. So you do a stop. step, sailor, out, in, out. This is out, I'm a step, pivot, with my left shoulder coming forward, and I'm a roll, roll, roll. You can roll, roll, or however that looks for you. So it is 7, 8, 7, 8, okay? That very step we just doing, that is it. You're going to do it at all 4 walls. Once you do that, you got part 2. So we did part 1, and then you do part 2. So we go right, left, right, out, and out. That's the left. So my weight is on the right. Right, left, right, out, and out. When this is out, my heel is up. Left, step left, and pivot with the left shoulder coming forward, quarter turn. And you reset on 7, 8, or 7, 8, however that looks for you. Okay? From here, we do it again. Step, sailor, tap, out and out. Step, sailor, out and out. That left heel is up. Step, quarter turn with the left shoulder coming forward. And roll, roll. Okay? Let's do it again. I'm going to get you in your blind spot, but you got the step. Here we go. Step, sailor, out and out. Step, pivot, quarter, and roll, roll. Step, sailor. Step, sailor, tap, out and out. Step, quarter, and roll, roll. Part 1 and part 2. Let me give you the count. Let's do that part again, and we'll put part 1 and part 2 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Left 5, turn 6, roll 7, 8. Right 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 1 and part 2. Look at your phone. Look at whatever. How long did that take us? Not long. Let's put part 1 and part 2 together. All right, here we go. Step, sailor, upright. How many times? 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Paddle. 5, 6, 7. Step, sailor. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Left 5. Turn 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Step 5. Turn 6. Roll 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So from here, let me go through according to the rotation. So we starting over again. Remember, it's a 2-wall dance. So now we at a different wall. We're starting over again. That's what makes it a different wall. We start a 2-wall dance. We started here. Okay, now we're going to start the dance here. So when you're turning in the dance, that doesn't mean anything. When you start the dance over, whatever wall you at determines if it's a 1-wall, 2-wall, 4-wall. We're not at our original wall. We're on the opposite wall. So that's what makes it a 2-wall dance, okay? So we start over again. Here we go. Step, sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, then 7, 8. I'll cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Paddle back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here. Okay. Now we at this wall. Now here we go. This part here, we're going to do part 1 again. So that means that's a change in the dance. It doesn't go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When you change up your rotation, that's a change. So now we're going back to part 1 again. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Paddle 5, 6, 7, 8. My heel is up. Okay, now I'm back at this wall again. Remember we were here again already. What we're gonna do, go into part 2. Here we go. 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Left 5, turn 6, roll 7, 8. Right 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Left 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna do that bridge. Okay, don't get nervous, because it ain't even hard. And we're gonna do it on the right, the left, the right, left, at this wall. This wall right here. We're just gonna do it here. And what we're gonna do, roll and change. Ball change. 1, 2, and 3. So let me show you how to roll. Roll, ball change. And when I do that ball change, my heel is out. Here. Roll on the right. Roll out. 1, 2, ball change, lift. Cross and cross. Roll left, ball change, lift. Cross. That's how easy it is. So you roll down. 1, 2, and 3, lift 4. 5, then 6, 7, and 8. So you roll down on your right, you lift, ball change. So when I roll on my right, ball change. So I put my weight on my right, my left heel is up. So I cross left, left over right, right over left. And my last step is on my right. So I'm going to do the same thing. It's 1, 2, and 3, lift 4, cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's it. You do it on the right, left, right, left. Let's work on that. We'll turn this way. This is our wall, so just so you can see the footwork. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's all you do. Okay, so from here, we just did right, left, right, left. What we gonna do from here? We're gonna start over. Step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2. Let me say something. I'm finished teaching the dance. I gave you all the parts. You're done. I'm just giving you the rotation. Sorry I stopped. You're done. I gave you part 1, part 2, part 3. We getting ready to do part 1, 2. I'm saying 3, but it's the bridge. So I'm getting ready to do part 1. I'm going to do part 2 again, and we're going to go out with the bridge. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You always move up for 4. Paddle back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. Roll, roll. Step sailor. 1. Tap out. Pivot. Roll. All 4 wall. Step sailor. Out and out. Step. Pivot. Roll. Roll. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll down. So part 3. Part 3. So we did part 1 and we did part 3. Part 2. Okay? In the song, this is what we're gonna do. Go back to that bridge. Roll, ball change, left. Left over right, right over left. Roll left, ball change, left. Cross and cross. Roll out, ball change, left. Cross and cross. Again, roll out, ball change, left. Right, left, right, left. End of dance. That's called no cap. So guess what? While I was teaching you, I gave you the rotation too. I walked through the whole rotation. You got this. All you gotta do is dance with me at the end of this video. Click on that video, let's dance together. And I hope we dance together at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Instructors, if you've never been out with your group, come out with your group. We're gonna take care of you. If you are individual, you just go to class or whatever, you've never traveled before, take this opportunity to come to the NOLA Southern Experience. Go over to our website. We spell out everything for you. That's where you register and you book your group. www.LMIUNOLA.com. Guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And you know what? Speaking of comments, I want to give a shout out to everybody that always leave me a comment. I appreciate y'all guys. Let me know if y'all want me to shout y'all out, because I will. So guys, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. Y'all see me sweat? I love it. And I'll see you next time.